One innovation that we are helping steer is called the social investment funds. So these are the specially earmarked funds, very similar to an equity fund, but that essentially transfer the tools and instruments from the financial sector that you would expect to find in the financial sector to the social entrepreneurship arena that would enable social enterprises to access funding at terms that are comparable to companies in developed markets that can freely function and talk to the financial institutions about their needs. In order to do so, it is necessary to develop these instruments, such as the Social Investment Fund, that are able to raise capital from the financial institutions, impact investors, and the similar stakeholders that will be placed then into the social enterprises. Today, without those innovations and instruments, impact investors and institutional investors are simply not able to place funds, place capital, and the commercial banks, the retail banks and corporate banks that are active in these regions cannot extend funding because usually these social enterprises, just like SMEs, do not qualify on many different levels. Yes, they can, just like the institutional investors or the impact investors, and that is by helping develop these innovative instruments. Since these instruments are technically the financial market instruments, they're the funds themselves. They're within the nature and the scope of the engagement of the institutions like the EBRD, and therefore they should come naturally as an extension to enable, not just enable an environment, but specifically to enable access to funding to the social enterprises, which is one of the missions of these international financial institutions.